There are several types of affiliate programs and affiliate networks out there for you to choose from, and it all depends on your niche which ones you choose. You could choose multiple affiliate programs depending on your niche. And when you find these affiliate programs, when you promote them and people click on your links and go to the sites and end up buying through your link, you would get commissions for those affiliate products that you promote. Okay, and there are different types of products. There are digital products such as ebooks. You could go to ClickBank for that. On ClickBank, you could find products for almost any niche. So that's what I like about ClickBank. But there are several great affiliate networks out there for digital products such as JVZoo, Warrior Plus. But I recommend you first go to ClickBank to look for digital products because ClickBank focuses on a variety of niches. Okay, you could also go on Amazon and promote affiliate products there as well. For example, if you're a personal trainer, you could promote some workout equipment. Okay, other types of products that you could promote are supplements. If you are a personal trainer, and you could earn monthly commissions from those. So basically, you have many options to choose from, and it's up to you to do your research. Okay, there's also CPA programs that you can promote. CPA stands for cost per action, and this is where you earn money not for people buying from you, but for people taking action. For example, if you send people to a survey and if they fill out the whole survey, you get paid for that. Or if people insert their email address on a form, depending on the CPA offer, you could get paid for that as well. So again, there are several types of CPA programs out there, so you just have to do a search